If you're like me and you love to cook, you love to have people over, you love to entertain, this is just what I needed. Because when you have a bunch of people over, whether you're cooking everything or they're all bringing dishes, there's only so much oven space, right? And some things just don't really microwave that well. And then just to keep the food warm, maybe you're setting up a quick buffet, this is perfect. This is a warming mat. It has a default temperature that's just right for keeping food warm, but you can also adjust the temperature. It won't hurt your furniture, and it's perfect, right? Keeps the food warm. So when you have a lot of people over, you may have some things in the oven, but this will hold a lot of dishes. So that's so perfect. But have you thought about the fact that this is good for a whole lot of other things? So for example, if you're baking bread, you can ferment your dough on here. It's perfect because you can maintain that temperature, which is so critical with bread making. You know how tricky that can be. But you can also warm your face mask or warm milk, keep tea warm. How about thawing meat? That's always a frustration, but you can do that on here because you got that gentle heating. I know we have a lot of kitchen stuff. This is easy to store. It doesn't take up a lot of room. I'm able to just slip it in a cabinet and have it ready when I need it. How cool is that? They've really thought of everything with this product. I absolutely love it. It's a great thing to have in the kitchen, and it would make a great gift for somebody who loves to cook.